Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday, June the 19th, 2023. Yeah, new week, new puzzles, and in today's newspaper we have only one regular puzzle, the Medium Sudoku. In today's newspaper we have also an additional. Let me show you the additional. We have an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, Sudoku with a 0 star, Sudoku with 1 star, the 4 stars Sudoku, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. In the evening, in the evening, 4 of those in the evening. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. What's the news of today? Well, no news besides that Max Verstappen has won the race in Canada. Yeah. Well, look, the yellow pen is back. Yeah, that's the news. Yellow pen is back. Alright, the Medium Sudoku. This will be number 6618. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. Should be an easy one. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, should be easier than the 1 star. For the 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, maybe this one 14 or 13 minutes. We will see. 2 minutes is already passed. So let's get started. Alright, let me check. 8. 8. Alright. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, no need to place level. The 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between, only to place level. The 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no need to place left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Then, which number can I pick? How about the 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 place left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Yeah, 5 in the second column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. How about the 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2, 2, okay. Then 4. Yeah. What is that? Need an 8. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. The 9. Need a 9 here. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the last column. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 9 in the last row. So the row B3, no need 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this first row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in this box. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the 9 in the first row could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9. Okay, then let me see 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4. Okay, need a 2. Come on 2 2 3 3 3 3. Need a 7, need a 6. Come on. I'm stuck. 3 and 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column B3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 4 4 4. Need a 4 here. 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 in this box here. 4 in this row, no 4 in that box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left for the 4 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 now in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. All right. 2 3 6 2 3 6. Okay. 2 2. Well, here the 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. Need 1 here. 3 missing numbers in this row. First row, 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. So 1 could be here or there in the first row, here or there. We see another 1 in this middle column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. Okay. 1. Yeah. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. So we have a 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Need a 1 here also. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. 6, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this column, last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Can I count? No. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. So 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. 3, 6, and 2 are missing. Yeah. 2 and 1 are missing. 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 1. Need to wait. 2, 2, 2. 3 and 6 are missing here. Come on, 2 and 3 are missing. 2 and 3. No. Come on, how about these two? 2 and 6 are missing. 2 and 6. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 and a 6. No. 3 and a 6. Almost made a mistake. 2 in this row. 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2. Well, we need a 2 in the third row. Need a 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. Here can be 2 because we have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row. Middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Same numbers for here. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Here also 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Here also 3 and 6. Well, so one number left here. Next to the 3 and 6, or besides the 3 and 6. Yeah, 1, 2, the 8 is missing here. 8, yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 and 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. 3 and 6, we have a 6 now in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. 3 and 6, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 3 goes there. 3 and 6, we have a 6 now in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 3 goes there. 3 and 6, we have a 6 now in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. Told you I need to be faster than 15 minutes because we have 29 printed digits. Alright, medium, no. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.